Hey everybody, on the previous episode of Mark's Garage, we replaced the rocker panels on the Firebird. While doing this, we also cut out the old rusty floor. Our next step is to add toe boards to give our new floor a base to sit on. I start by removing the remaining bits of floor in the pinch weld area to the trans tunnel. Next, I test fit the panels. Mark will label mate to the trans tunnel and use the extended reach cutoff tool to remove the factory toe boards. Then weld the new Firebird Central Sheet Metal in. Now that it's welded, I seam seal top and bottom and paint with our 2K epoxy. Next, I take my new floor, set the floor on the fresh toe boards, and I use the engine hoist here to support the rear as I'm working alone. Once I have it fitted nicely, I plug weld along the pinch welds and seam seal top and bottom. So I plan on driving this thing a lot, in particular from Florida back up here to Eastwood in Pennsylvania. So I want a little bit added protection. So I went ahead and sprayed bed liner on the bottom of the floor to protect this thing from rock shots, anything like that, and to give a little bit of sound deadening. So for more information on any of the tools or techniques you've seen here, or any of Eastwood tools in general, visit eastwood.com.